Welcome to Quick Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your WhatsApp opt-in and opt-out settings in Quick Chat, giving you full control over how customers subscribe or unsubscribe from your messages. Start by opening Quick Hub and go to the dashboard page. Next, click on Quick Chat from the main menu. Then, open the Quick Chat dashboard page and navigate to the WhatsApp dashboard section. Click on Manage Settings to configure your WhatsApp opt-in and opt-out preferences. Under the Opt-out Management section, click on Add More to create new opt-out questions or phrases. Enter the questions or keywords your customers might send when they wish to unsubscribe. Once added, click on Save Settings to store them. Next, enable the Opt-out Response toggle button to activate automated responses for opt-out actions. Click on Edit Response to customize the message your customers will receive when they unsubscribe. Then click Save to confirm. Now, scroll down to the Opt-in Keywords section. Click on Add More to add phrases customers can use to subscribe to your messages. Enter your questions or keywords, and then click Save Settings. Enable the Opt-in Response toggle button to automatically respond when a customer subscribes. Click on Edit Response to personalize your welcome or confirmation message. Finally, click Save to confirm your settings. Once everything is saved, review your opt-in and opt-out configurations to ensure they're working correctly. These settings will now automatically handle customer subscription requests and responses through your WhatsApp business chat. And that's it. You've successfully configured your opt-in and opt-out management settings in Quick Chat. This ensures your WhatsApp communication stays compliant while offering customers a seamless way to manage their subscriptions. Stay tuned for more Quick Hub tutorials to help you streamline and automate your business communication.